the new generation. You are the only ones. You are the only ones who can make a change. The world is kind of small from way up there through the window of our time. The shuttle broke into a million pieces in the bluest sky. The world is spinning around way too fast. In New York City, when all dark, there's a message that goes out tonight from the bottom of my heart. Here comes the young, the new generation.